Welcome. This will be a guided video on sensing and moving your body's own personal energy. Relax and clear your mind as best as you can. Stand with your feet together, so long as you are comfortable doing that. If not, you can have them apart. Now close your eyes and picture your body. Visualize a lake within your head and one lake in each foot. I find it easier if I picture the lake in the center of my foot. Now, have water come out of the lake in your head and pour the water down through your entire body, through your neck, chest, and stomach. When it gets to your legs, have the water stream split in two and travel down your legs before finally making its way into the lakes in your feet. When the water gets there, have the water absorbed into the lakes in your feet. This is called the waterfall technique. You may feel light tingles and sleepy, or the opposite, feeling pins and needles and becoming very alert and awake. Take some deep breaths if you feel you need to. Remember to breathe. After you feel you've got the hang of that, you're now going to stop sending water from your head and have the remaining water enter your feet. Now you're going to reverse the waterfall technique and have it go upwards. Have the water leave your feet and travel up through your legs, through your stomach, through your heart, through your neck, and finally having the water absorbed into the lake in your head. There is energy all around us. Energy exists in varying forms in almost everything. If you can sense the energy, then you can easily learn to move it and use it. That is why learning to sense and move the energy that is naturally within you is something everyone should learn as a foundation for your spiritual growth. You may feel very warm as your energy moves through your body. This is positive and nothing to worry about. Now, after practicing those two, you're going to move on to the main exercise. Stop sending water from your feet to your head. Now put the sides of your feet together if they aren't already. And you're going to have the water come down the left side of your body. And when it gets to the lake in your left foot, have it move over to the lake in your right foot and travel up the right side of your body. When that gets to the top, have it travel down your left side. This will create a circular energy flow in your body going down the left side and up the right side at the same time. You can choose to increase or decrease the amount of water, as well as having small amounts of water flowing through your body, absorbed into certain parts of your body, or the lakes in your head or feet. I find moving my hand in a circular motion helps me keep the energy moving non-stop and allows me to better control it. Once you've got control of that, you can also create a lake in each of your hands and have water cycle back and forward between the lakes in your hands and the lake in your head. After a while, the water in your body may change to look like something else. It may be white energy or blue energy. This is normal, as you are now seeing the water for the energy that it is. Practice this technique for 5 to 10 minutes once a day, twice a day maximum if you are starting. As you practice, you may feel the hairs on your arms stand up and your body may feel heavy. This is normal, as your body is getting used to having its energy moved around. This is called energy fatigue, and it is similar to muscle fatigue, but normally fully heals within 24 hours, so you can practice again the next day at the same time, unless you really overdid it, in which case it can be a few days. As you finish up, feel free to move your body around and breathe however you like. Relax and then slowly stop having the energy cycling around your body and bring it to a stop. You can leave the lakes in your hands, feet, and head, and this will cause no problems whatsoever. This is how to sense and move your body's own personal energy. Thank you.